Ladies and gentlemen.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about very interesting topic, that is how these ChatGPT or Cloud AI, Bing AI, all these models are giving us the rapid response. What is the idea and what is working in the back end of these models that they are giving us such a rapid or the quick response? So let's get back on the screen and see what is the thing that is working in the back end and giving us that prompt response. So have you ever wondered how these powerful models generate such rapid response? So it's like, if I talk about the real world, when we ask a question to our friend, what do we expect? We expect them to respond quickly for the conversation to just go with the flow naturally, right? So same way, users also anticipate the seamless interaction when they work with the LLM model. No one would use the ChatGPT at all, at least not that I could guarantee it, if we had to wait for a few seconds. Suppose I have given it a prompt and I am waiting for the ChatGPT to give me the response and it's taking more than a minute. I won't be really interested to use it next time. For this reason, LLM are trying to maintain or attain this efficiency and flow of communication in their digital solution with the LLMOps domain. We'll talk about what LLMOps or LLM are. So let's see what LLMOps, what it is. So LLM is like large language model operation. It is like a hidden engine that keeps big language models work smoothly and reliably. So it means we want the accuracy also, and we don't want it to spend a minute as well. So LLM are those things which are the hidden engine which keeps the big model work smoothly and reliably. It's an upgraded version of MLOps. MLOps is machine learning operations. Same way, it is the upgraded version which is LLMOps, which deals in the unique challenges posed by the LLMs. MLOps focuses on managing regular machine learning model, while LLMOps is all about handling the special needs of LLMs. LLMOps works behind the scene, making it possible for organizations like OpenAI and Anthropic to offer their models as services through websites and API. When deploying a model for the specific purpose, LLMOps guides the process. Think of LLM as a referee in the debate. It ensures that LLM performs well, gives user a smooth experience, and ensures that the results are trustworthy, similar to how referee keeps a conversation on track and prevents bad language and fight against the fake news. This is what referee does, and same way LLMOps works. Why does LLM matters? Without LLM, can't we post anything, or can't we work or can't we create any model basically? So LLM presents unique obstacles when developing application. Unlike traditional machine learning models, the LLM framework is the result of creative management techniques and the tool developed to traverse these. Here's why LLM is crucial for the success of any LLM powered application. How to begin with LLM? The main ingredient for the smooth communication is speed. Speed is crucial. Like as I told you that if I have to wait for a minute, I won't be using it for the next time. When communicating with the LLM, user anticipate receiving answers right away. By streamlining the procedure to reduce the latency, LLMOps guarantees that you will receive response promptly. Accuracy is the same parallel thing which needs to be maintained. To ensure the accuracy and the applicability of LLM response, LLMOps employs some checks and controls to ensure that the accuracy is going good. Scalability for growth is must. LLMOps assist you in this effectively scaling resources to manage growing users' load as your LLM applications require traction. Security of the utmost important. By implementing strict security measures, LLMOps protects sensitive data and integrity of the LLM system. Cost effectiveness. Because LLM requires a lot of resource, and number of users are there who are currently using ChatGPT and operating them. So LLM requires a lot of resources for operating it, and that can be expensive. LLMOps uses cost-effective techniques to optimize resources and uses effective, like it's basically guarantees that peak performance is not affected. So that's how our ChatGPT model, Bing AI, and other AI tool in market is working with the help of LLMOps. So we'll create a complete series on LLM or LLMOps if I'm going to get multiple comments just below this videos. So if you want the video content on LLM or LLMOps, you can comment down. I will create a complete series explaining you what LLM is and how you can go into that domain too. So stay tuned. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.